How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our 3-row tailgate warning light bars. So we offer our 48-inch model and 60-inch model, and you'll have 3 rows of LEDs. Your top row will be your warning row, your middle row will be your reverse or super takedown row with clear LEDs, and your bottom row will be your stop tail turn row with red LEDs. So let's go over the cable functions. So on your cable harness, you'll have your red power cable, your black ground cable, your yellow flash pattern cable, your green reverse super takedown cable, your white tail light cable, your brown right turn signal cable, and your blue left turn signal cable. So let's go ahead and get our 48-inch model hooked up and go over these features. So for example here, I'm using our 48-inch model in a red-blue color setup. So you'll see here, when I activate my red power cable, that will activate my warning row of LEDs. And then when I activate my green cable, that will activate my reverse or super takedown function. And then when I activate my white cable, that will be the tail light. And then the brown cable will be my right turn signal. And the blue cable will be my left turn signal. Now while you have your warning row activated, you can use your yellow flash pattern cable by tapping that to the positive connection, and you'll change flash patterns. And you will have 33 flash patterns on this light bar, with 30 of those being warning flash patterns, and you'll also have 3 traffic advising patterns as well. So we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, and half-half color setups. So for example here, I brought a red-blue color setup in the back, and then in the middle, I brought an amber color setup, and then in the front, I brought one of our green-clear color models. Now you will notice that all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus your reverse super takedown functionality and your stop tail turn functionality. So that covers our 3-row tailgate warning light bars. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included in these units, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.